What's up, Zord? Hello, brother. Hey, brother. Right now I'm looking at NQ, and yes, I think it's so it already took out buy side, so I think it's gonna take out some more sell side. At the same time, I do have into account that we just market structure shifted on the higher time frame, and at the same time we took out an old low. So there is possibility of this going bullish, but for right now, I'm looking for sells. So yeah. Oh, hold on. Oh, you know what? We just tapped into a daily civvy right here, so this thing actually might be pushing bullish. So yeah, we'll see. If you were gonna sweep buy side, then it would be somewhere up here. I mean, it's a possibility for sure. I'm tired. Okay. So it looks like it's coming for these highs right now. I'm just gonna wait until something presents itself, because right now there's nothing going on. Damn. I mean, we're just consolidating for YM. Nothing's going on. We tapped into like this little mini order block right here on NQ. I see this going bearish more than bullish, in my opinion. I just want to see what he does. You said speak clearly, please. Bro, how's your win rate overall with the silver bullet? So backtesting, it's really fucking high. Live trading, not so much, just because it's live trading. You know, everybody's a demo god, but I'd say it's pretty high. You just have, like, if you have the right narrative, and the right draw on liquidity, it's pretty high. There's some people who have like 80%, 90%, and that's not even a joke. Silver bullet happens on NAQ. You mean NASDAQ? Yeah. On any market, I think, except for like crypto and shit. Well, okay, so I was waiting for GU to give me up, take out this liquidity, and then market structure shift, but I guess they don't want to do that. Plus, it wasn't 10 a.m. yet, so that kind of sucks. So yeah, it's probably going to take this high out before I can... I mean, realistically, this is a setup right here, but we're at this 1 hour civvy. I'm trying to make my trading boring as possible, because that's how it should be, but Jesus Christ, I'm tired. YM. I feel like YM wants to go up. But it already took out. I think this is London high. So we might, we might be popping up to the upside. So NQ still rallying. But maybe YM doesn't want to, But sometimes it's just late to the party. So I want to see something. So it's practically already there. I don't think I'm going to be looking for shorts anymore. I mean, if anything, like a couple longs. Back to this high, perhaps. But I don't know, it is Monday. So, what's the daily candle doing? Okay. Yeah, this daily candle might not do anything. Um, like in terms of movement. I think I could probably get in for a long on ES. Um, somewhere around here. Back in this inverted fair value gap. Inversion fair value gap, I mean. Okay, that's already looking like a trade right there. I'm not even gonna lie. God damn it, hold on. Hold on, Trey, hold on. Hold your motherfucking horses. I'd probably get in long, like right there. For ES. Alright, I'm in long for ES. Kind of like back at this fair value gap and the inversion fair value gap. So yeah. I put my stops like right here. Yeah, if ES is gonna continue going bullish, I'm expecting it to take out this high right here. Aiming for around 13 handles. Is that 13 handles? Yeah. You said, holy shit, hold on. So many comments. Can you explain the bullet trade? You mean the silver bullet? The silver bullet is just a, what's it called? It's from here to here. In this time frame, we're looking for a trade with any PD array. Depends on what you like. For me, I like fair value gaps and shit. I like breakers. You use really any PD array. And basically having a drawn liquidity and thinking like where the market's gonna go. And like, I don't know, just like trading, but it's just this 1 hour window. Okay, you said damn AUD USD long was nice. What's up, borrow video? You had an AU long? FXCM. Yo, that shit was clean. That shit was clean for sure. But that wasn't at 10 a.m. so I wouldn't have taken that honestly. Now ES isn't looking too nice, but yeah. You said better to learn from ICT channel. Did you learn from ICT channel? Yeah. Better to miss a trade than to lose. Yeah, that depends. It depends. Nice change of character. You obviously learn from ICT. Man, my brain gets fried when I see the chart. That's why I can't explain it. What? Which y'all tripping? Which liquidity should you watch, and what are the trading time in Forex? Yeah, quick though. It's a timing thing. Like, yeah, I had 3R on AUD. I don't use that silver bullet VS lol. Oh, for sure. Yeah. I'm pretty strict with my timing rules, so I mean you do you, Russ, and that's dope. Um, which liquidity should you watch? You're drawing liquidity. Like, so like basically for me, I had my eye on this right here, and I also have my eye up here because, well, on the daily chart, for example, we just tapped into this daily fair value gap right here, so most likely the daily candle is gonna expand upwards, like type shit. And then for example, we had a market structure shift here or whatever, and then we also came back into this fair value gap right here. We closed above it, came back into it, and at the same time we had this fair value gap right here. I didn't draw it, but it's right here, and I entered off of that confluence as well. So yeah, my drawn liquidity is up here because I mean that's just the next stop. So yeah. Mm-mm. I mean, I guess the only thing I don't like is that NAS is already at those highs versus ES. It has a little bit to go, and it's not moving yet. You know. YM, um, YM isn't really moving either. But yeah, this is a 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. silver bullet right here. So yeah. I guess we could also be targeting these imbalances up here. I guess the only thing to be wary of is this order block right here, or whatever. And then this little Sibi right here. It's like the only things I'm worried about right now. I'm not worried, but I just have them into account. Where was the 8:30 open. Well, the 8:30 open was down here. Accumulated. Well, that's an interesting candle. You said, so you watched the most Serpent City or Bissy? Yeah, you can say that. Yeah, basically. I look for them on the higher time frames, and I trade off of that. Like 15-minute, like this right here has 15-minute confluence. So, yeah. Bearish engulfing OB. That candle didn't come to the OB though. I don't know. Y'all do your own analysis. I'm not here to whatever. But yeah, right now this trade is pretty much a break even. So it's reacting off of this as well. But we do have a market structure shift right here. So yes. But it does look like it's rejecting big time. So but I'm still let it run. I want to see what this trade has to offer. So yeah, NQ ran this high. There is a possibility we see a reversal here because NQ just ran that high. So did ES. There is a possibility of reversal here. Yeah. Alright, if it closes below the consequent encroachment of this for value gap, I'm going to close it. It's like it can play around in it still, but I'm going to close it if it closes below. Yeah, I think I'm going to close it. Alright, I close it. I'm out that trade. But I want to see if NQ wants to offer some sell side now. Because I don't believe it's gonna go any higher. Honestly, it's fucking Monday. But you know. I mean, shit, it also tapped into a 5-minute, so I'm not gonna lie, I low-key closed out of fear, but I don't want to hold this trade if it's gonna move down like that, you know? Alright, so it tapped into that, or I'm not in this shit no more. So it tapped into this right here. If it respects that and continues lower, I'll probably want to see if I can get in for some sell side here. But yeah, because it took buy side. I just thought that since it bounced off the daily, it was probably gonna continue offering buy side, but I don't know, we'll see. I wouldn't be opposed to entering again if it offers another opportunity, but yeah. I'm ready to switch my bias if necessary. So it just ran buy side liquidity. Cool, nice channel. Appreciate the content. I'll lurk another day. I appreciate you. But yeah, I'm not in a hurry to take a trade right now. Honestly, I just want to wait a little bit. So it's already 7:30, so yeah. I should have probably stayed in that trade. Honestly, I said if it closed below the mean threshold, and then it literally didn't. I just closed like right over here. Yeah, we'll probably see a nice expansion upwards if this thing continues bullish. Bullish. Baked multiple times per day. There's probably an inverted entry right here. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, I like this for some buys now. I'm not gonna lie, this kind of scared me right here. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, my stop loss was like all the fucking way down here. You know, it was like below the consequent encroachment. But yeah, my eye is still up here. What do you see? What do you see? Fucking head ass. See all these people on Twitter copying ICT, like thinking they're ICT and shit. It's funny. You said that definitely going down. Well, we'll see. What's you doing? Bro, absolutely fucking nothing. Like when Forex players have like big runs like these, like during their session, to me, AM session is gonna be pretty shit. So, damn, bro. I got too pussy. Alright, well, if we can get an entry like down here, I can still target like a 1 to 2. Real shit. It's a nice little breaker right here. My stop below the breaker. This is the first time I'm gonna put my stop below the breaker. Actually, is it the first time? I'm not sure. Pull back, damn it. Pull back, damn it. Alright, I'm gonna delete this. Pull back, damn it. Target this up here too. So that's a 1 minute, 5 minute. What's NQ doing? Damn, bro. No lie, NQ looked way better, but it was literally right there. Still ES, I still have faith for ES, honestly. I think ES can give us a good entry, or not. Yeah, this happens to me quite often where, except where I lose, right here. Or not lose, but I just close early. This happens to me quite often where I wait for the trade to happen, and then by the time it's happening, like, I'm already too late. So yeah, this entry is pretty much gone. But, you know, ETs with ETs, that's kind of tough. Looks like YM is doing the same thing here. You said Monday price action is choppy anyways. Yeah. I mean, it wasn't that choppy today, honestly. Like, I think today was just a miscommunication on my end. I mean, I just didn't like this market structure shift right here. Like, I didn't like that. And like in real time, the shit was pushing down pretty hard. And then it eventually closed like that. But you know how it be. You know how it be. But yeah, I liked today's trade. Even though I lost on it, I liked it. We closed above the 15-minute inverted. We tapped back into the inversion for value gap, and then we tapped into this fair value gap right here, and then eventually we ended up coming back to this 5-minute imbalance right here, which I was aware of. I just hadn't drawn it out because of I was just getting cocky. I didn't think it was gonna fill it in. And I didn't realize that when it was pushing down. So, yeah, I have to be more aware of shit. You said, look at NAS. We have a nice 1 hour for value up above BSL. Will be a nice short. Where, brother? Are you talking about this? Oh, you're talking about this. Perhaps. Yeah, perhaps. I mean, dude, it's just been seek and destroy on the higher time frame. I mean, look at this. Bam, 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 bam. And especially on ES. ES had it the worst. Like, bam, 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 bam. Like, bam. And now it's gonna come for some more buy side. I feel like I can still get into ES. It's just I'm a little later than usual to the party. Like, I really shouldn't be this late. And if I get in right here, that's just gambling. I want an entry up here. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, like, today I was just scary as hell. I was just scary. I was like, hell no, I'm out this trade. I was just scary. Um, DXY is still going down. Man, NQ is gonna rail this high, but there's really nothing I can do about it. Like when it touched this high like this, I should have known, because like usually I take trades like these, where it still hasn't taken the high yet, or it's getting very close to it, and then you get it on the next rally gap, like right at the high, and then usually there's a lot of speed coming through it. But like, I feel like even if I would have gotten into this, I would have pussied out right here, and like the same thing I did with ES, because I honestly wasn't expecting it to go all the way up here. I was just expecting this high to get taken out. Same thing for ES, I think. Or actually, it might take it out regardless because it's pretty close to it, but just like because of how slow this pair moves. But yeah, this would have been a nice breaker entry. Tomorrow should be nice. Yeah, perhaps. It might even fill in today, you know. Who knows? What do you think about gold? To be honest with you, Viraj Fernando, I don't trade gold. Gold is bearish. Probably because the dollar's skyrocketing. We're going for the weekly lows on gold. Listen, I don't know this man, Borrow Video, but he's always winning trades, so so I trust what he says. But nah. Yeah. But honestly, long term, I feel like gold is gonna pop above here, and I know this is like all-time highs, so that's interesting. I don't know if gold has seasonal tendencies as well, but I mean, it tends to be dropping in August. Last August, it also had a decline, so yeah, I don't know. We might see a push back up in September and the rest of the year, because long term it looks pretty bullish to me. You know, if it wants to, it could tap into here or whatever, but I feel like it's gonna continue going up. Obviously that depends on what's it called, news events and shit. Alright, so ES finally took the high out right there. Yeah, what I was expecting from NAS and NQ was once it popped above this high, like, drop. But I guess not. Guess it just wanted to continue. But yeah, I'm kind of salty I got out of this trade. This is what happens when you have tight stop loss and you don't accept it. But yeah, this is where I would be running. That kind of sucks, but it's okay. Not Oanda. You play around with crypto. That is the wrong data. No, I don't play around with crypto. Oh, my fault. I mean, it looks the same, honestly. Oh, no, you're right. I feel like this is the right chart because it took out this high. But yeah, I mean, if it took out this high, it took out both of those highs. Okay. Yeah, I feel like then we are bearish. Looking for some sells around 1918. Hey. Are you a swing trader or something? Because it ain't going up there for a minute. But yeah, I'm not taking no more trades. I don't like all my objectives pretty much got hit, so I don't really. Bro, but the good thing is I did stop myself from going short right here, because I was gonna go short for some reason, but then I was like, you know what, let me just wait a little bit. Damn, I'm kind of salty, I'm not gonna lie. But hey, you know what? It was only like 0.5%. Okay? Risk management, motherfucker. This shit will always save you long term. Damn, I should have just kept my stop loss, bro. Like, I'm already past it, whatever, it doesn't matter anymore, but damn, I should have just kept my stop loss. Cause, yeah, damn. I mean, I could have probably even put it right there. I was gonna put it right here, but I was like, nah, I'm good. But yeah, honestly, either way, I probably wouldn't be holding past here. I'd probably close, or at least I'd close like 75%. Just cause like it's just playing around and shit. NQ is kind of looking like it wants to rail this high too. I mean, if it gives me an entry before 11 a.m., drops like somewhere in here, I'd be happy to take it. Cause I think it's gonna take this high up. But if it does that in the next few minutes, then I'm out of here. When he says illy, but Achilles one says, I would recognize you in total darkness. What? I would recognize. Be better, be Achilles. Anyways, told you, ahaha. Hey, what's up, Vive Russia? Bro, you trying to start a war in the comments or something? You said, why go for shorts there when sell side liquidity rests below that low? What do you mean? Oh, you talking about this low? Talking about 1021's low? Damn, this is a missed opportunity for sure. And it never closed below the fair value gap. My fucking neck hurts and shit. Okay, we're about to rail through this high. There's also an inversion for value gap, so, and the way price is moving last week, dude, I would not be surprised if we just decided to come rail sell side now. Like, the way price was behaving last week, I wouldn't be surprised. But this 4 hour looking bullish as hell, brother. This daily just engulfed this whole fucking. But yeah, I think this, if it's gonna continue bearish and take out more lows, at least today and tomorrow it's gonna stay below this inversion for value gap high. So yeah. But obviously, as the man borrow video pointed out, this is also a possible area. Price is gonna tap into as well, because we have buy side right here. So yeah, that would be a nice short. But at the same time, like for me on the lower time frame, let's say this is like the 1 minute chart. If it takes out a low like this and it starts market structure shifting like it's doing here, respecting fair value gaps, respecting this low like it's doing here, I'm not gonna take these trades like this, because first of all, it's the 1 minute. I'd have to scale down to the lower time frame. So obviously this is the daily chart, or the 1 hour chart. So I just scale down to the lower time frames and look for shorts. But usually, if price, if it's flipping, it's not gonna respect it. But that's just my opinion. Yeah, I see ES going all the way up here. I'm not even gonna lie. Damn, this is a hella missed opportunity, bro. Damn. Inversion fair value gap and everything. I could even put my stop right there. Yeah, I'm not gonna start fantasizing, but yeah, damn, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this trade was fucking beautiful. This trade was beautiful. Even though I didn't stay in it, this trade was beautiful regardless. I had all the logic behind it. I'm probably gonna go over that in the. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you heard this little Twitter space they had yet, but bro, this shit was amazing. This Twitter space right here. If you haven't listened to it, you should go listen to it. This shit was facts. And this one over here.
I don't know if you want.
This one right here. Oh no, it was this one. Bro, I tuned into this shit live, bro. This shit was fire. And this one, if you haven't heard it yet. This one right here. I'm starting to like his Twitter spaces. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this live session. So I had one trade. Entry was around up here. Put my stop below this candle's low that created the fair value gap, or the candle before the candle that created the fair value gap, which is a 10-11 candle. I put my stop loss right there. And then once price started to rally down like this, I really didn't like that. And I forgot to keep into account the 5-minute BISI that had been left behind, the 5-minute fair value gap, which is the 5-minute silver bullet in this case, which fucking it bounced off of. And then when price market structure shifted like that, I was like, okay, this thing might go bearish, just because it doesn't actually have unfinished business, because in reality this is just price tapping into the daily fair value gap. So this isn't really sell side liquidity. After it just does it, obviously it is liquidity, but it's not really something that you should be worried about it getting taken out yet, because it already rallied, it already market structure shifted on the higher time frame, like it already did all of that. And then when it accumulated right here, that was kind of like also price saying, okay, we're probably not going to take out this low. And once it started breaking above and above, like that's when I was like, okay, yeah, it's probably not going to, and it's going to flip bullish. But yeah, that was my bias for today. It was correct, but I just didn't like the way prices. It's a 1-minute decision, it's like you just got to take it to the chin, I guess. And I got out like right here, so I suffered like 0.5% loss. I can just show it. It was this right here. Actually, it was a little bit more than 0.5%, but yeah, this right here. So yeah, Honestly, I don't really give a fuck about the loss. I think overall my analysis today was on point. So, but yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed it or learned something out of it. So yeah, that's gonna be it. So, peace.